I done my best here? Or will I be here next year? Or are these my best years yet? Was looking forward to being important, but I'm not important yet. If you put this scene on a movie screen, is it called a happy end? If the word gets me where I'm supposed to be, will I know I've made it then? It's so hard. So can we skip to the good part? These things take time. Mom and dad, they have a good life, but what am I gonna do with mine? These things take time. Mom and dad, they have a good life, but what the hell am I gonna do with mine?